Hey Supriya, I
Mm-hmm.
want to ask you something that most people ask us all the time.
Go for it.
I've noted it down. Why does it feel like the people we love the most end up hurting us the most?
That's such a common question, Soumya. Even sometimes I feel like that.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's actually the perfect place to start.
Hmm.
So, yeah, I too have got some questions. Let's go through a few questions like that, one by one. Okay?
Okay, me first. Let me ask you the first one. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Um, why does my family notices my flaws more than strangers do?
I also keep on thinking that. Okay. So, Soumya, what?
Hmm.
With the strangers,
Hmm.
we are always kind of performing.
Hmm.
Hmm? We
Hmm.
show our best behavior because there is no history. No? They do not know us. We do not know them,
Hmm.
and we do not share any comfort zone also.
Hmm.
So we go to them with a
Hmm.
filter on our face sometimes.
Hmm.
But with family, we
Hmm.
drop that performance.
Hmm.
Don't you think so?
Ha ha. I agree actually. With family, we are very raw. We show our true selves. Uh, when we are out, we don't show anger easily. But in home, anger is very easily shown in our family. Uh, that's why it gets messy in the family, and that's why we think they see more flaw of us than the strangers do. That's perfect, yeah. That's
Yeah,
bang on.
and it's the question of so many of you, so many of people actually, right?
Mm, mm,
Hmm.
yeah.
Now I would also like to ask you one.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah. So, why do we feel lonely even when we are not alone? You are the right person to answer this.
I know, right? Oh, I think I've done PhD on this. This is really interesting, and lot many people have asked this question, and at
Mm.
times I have also asked myself. I read a quote somewhere that I would like to say here. Loneliness is not absence of people, but it's the absence of your connection with yourself.
Wow, awesome.
And that's when it made sense to me because I was feeling lonely even when I was surrounded by people, by crowd. So it is not by how many people you are surrounded with, but it is how you are very well connected with yourself.
So well said, so well said. Exactly, it's about whether you feel seen, you can
Hmm.
be surrounded by people, and still you feel invisible. No one notices you. If no one is actually seeing the real version of you.
Hmm. And if you don't see yourself fully first, nobody else can see it also.
Mm.
It's hard for, if you are not understanding yourself, how can somebody else understand you better, Hannah?
Absolutely, absolutely. Abs-
Yeah, so that is the real reason why we feel loneliness even though we are amongst people. That is what
Hmm.
I've concluded. What do you have to say?
Absolutely, absolutely. We have to get connected with ourselves. That's what we do at Brain to Body also, na? So
Hmm.
if you are connected with yourself, then you can have a good relationship with people, with anyone for that matter, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's go next. Um, why do I become the worst version of myself with the people I love the most?
Okay. Now it comes the real self that we are most vulnerable with the people we love because they allow us to do so. Right?
Hmm.
We can be our true self to us. We can cry in front of them. We
Hmm.
can bitch about someone else with them. Right? We cannot
Hmm.
do that. हमको लगेगा बाहर जाके कि नहीं हम उसके बारे में नहीं बोल सकते वो क्या सोचेगा भाई घर वालों को तो आपके बारे में पता ही है एंड यू कैन क्राई यू कैन बी एज वल्नरेबल एंड दे नो व्हाट यू आर एग्जैक्टली so that is why there's a difference. What would you
And
say?
and you don't you think vulnerability brings out old pains which
Absolutely.
haven't been fully healed, that makes them become behave worse, like behave worst in the sense like behave not so good with
Not so good.
others, the because the pain makes you behave irrational, right?
Actually, and it's not really about them. Hmm.
Hmm.
Uh, the thing is, when you are your true self, when you do know that that person who is my who is very near to me, he knows me truly. Maybe he will not, you forget that he will also judge you. He can also judge you. You forget that
Hmm.
completely. You confide in that person. So
Hmm.
then that person becomes the mirror,
Hmm.
right? So the mirror shows you your true self also. So
Hmm.
you will think that actually you are judging yourself, but that person is not judging you. But
Hmm.
then you think that yes, I might get judged or whatever. So there you are comfortable. You are comfortably showing yourself just like a mirror.
Hmm. That's beautifully, very well put. I
Mm-hmm.
like it. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. So shall we go with the next one?
Yeah, yeah, you have one more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Why does one sentence from my partner hurt me more than praise from anyone else?
Oh, this is like dabti nas pe haath.
Yeah, दुखती रग पे हाथ.
My Hindi. Okay, this one is very relatable, and this one I think is like every conversation we have had with our client that uh, why is my partner doesn't see me like why he sees only the not so good parts in me is something which we answered in the first question. Uh, and why their words matter is because we love them so much. When you love someone so much, their words carry more weight than others.
Exactly.
Yes. So if someone walking on the street like that passes and says you're stupid, it does not matter. You are like, he might be out of his head or something is wrong with that person. बट वही चीज घर में आपके पति या आपकी पत्नी आपको बोले स्टूपिड है क्या, समझ में नहीं आता है, इट जस्ट वेज लाइक अ टन ऑफ bricks on your chest, and especially when if you are in a very vulnerable state. So it's the love quotient that gives so much weight.
Exactly, exactly. You can easily, slide whatever the stranger said because maybe he's insane, दिमाग में नहीं है उसका, and you will
Hmm.
not start connecting the dots. But
Hmm.
when your partner says something like that, then you
Hmm.
connect the dots. अच्छा, तुमने तब भी ऐसा कहा था, तुमने उस
Hmm.
दिन भी ऐसा कहा था, right?
Hmm.
Even though maybe he's trying to teach us something or he's trying to bring some part of us, but then we'll say कि no, no. And that time, exactly the time when you are vulnerable, you'll think that अच्छा, you are pointing me, तुम मेरी
Hmm.
क्लास ले रहे हो, you are pointing that part of me. So we feel vulnerable that time, and really
Hmm.
really it matters a lot. We kind of notice that thing. वो उसकी एक जो वो नेगेटिव कमेंट है ना, वो हमें बहुत ज्यादा हर्ट कर लेता है, चाहे दसों हमको अच्छे कमेंट्स मिले, बट
Hmm.
पार्टनर का एक नेगेटिव कमेंट हम लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा हर्ट कर जाता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बिकॉज हमको ये लगता है ना कि आ पार्टनर्स नो अस बेस्ट, लाइक उनको सब कुछ हमारे बारे में पता है. तो जब वो स्टूपिड भी बोलते हैं ना, यू गो एंड चेक इन साइड यू बिकॉज दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ यू दैट इज लिटिल अनश्योर अबाउट योर सेल्फ. So that's why their comment feels bigger than what it actually is. Even their praise feels bigger than what it is when compared to somebody else saying.
हम्म.
वही बोलते हैं ना, यू हैव ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप, पार्टी में गए हो, एवरीबडी हैज प्रेज्ड यू, बट योर हस्बैंड हैज सेड तू तो थोड़ी मोटी लग रही है, एंड द होल पार्टी यू आर थिंकिंग अरे यार मैं तो मोटी भले सब लोग बोले हैं कि साड़ी में अच्छे दिख रहे हो, वेट लूज किया है, स्लिम लग रहे हो, but his word, because somewhere inside you that thing is stuck that I have not lost my weight, and he's able to see that, like
Exactly.
that.
He kind of reads your mind, or she kind of reads your mind, and you think that
हाँ.
actually you yourself are thinking about that, and maybe
Hmm.
your partner senses you and he says that, and you think, अच्छा तभी आपको चुभता भी ज्यादा वही बात है ना, because he's the person who is the closest to you. You can go to him just the way you can go to yourself, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why it feels it actually pinches a lot.
yeah,
So.
yeah. This leads me to the next question that flows very beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
बहुत सा, like it happens with women keep giving good stuff, right? Technically we keep like handsome दिख रहे हो, अच्छा है, आप एक we keep giving, but still feel unseen.
Mm-hmm.
Why do I keep giving but still feel unseen? May, you can relate to this. I mean, you have had so many clients come to you about this, I'm sure.
Exactly, exactly. Women always say that I keep on giving, I keep on giving, I do not receive any appreciation, I do not receive appreciation. So, what we say is giving and receiving are two separate things, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
when you are giving, is it not the same thing that you have to receive it? It is not like you can receive not from this person, but you can receive from someone else also.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm,
when you give so much of time, energy, your care and all to others, then
hmm,
definitely some part of you gets empty also, ना? आपको
hmm,
लगता है कि यार वो खाली हो रहा है. But
hmm.
if you give that love to yourself, maybe you will not feel that.
Yeah, that's the missing part, I think. We
Yeah.
give so much. We give our time, we give our energy, we even love in such unconditional levels.
Hmm.
But if we are not doing the same to ourselves,
Hmm.
right? That gap, that there is a gap inside that no one else can fill. Only your love, your time, and your energy for yourself can fill so beautifully. Yes.
Hmm. And this somewhere giving and giving and giving means that you also need to replenish yourself, na?
Hmm, hmm,
Otherwise
hmm,
you will be leaving yourself empty. And an empty cup,
hmm,
the one who is empty, he cannot give love to others. When
hmm,
your cup is getting empty and you are by complaining repeatedly, you are just making hole on your cup, then why the hell will be able to give that? Right? So
hmm,
you
hmm,
need to acknowledge yourself, then
hmm.
only will you be getting acknowledged actually.
Hmm, hmm. No, no, that's true. You have to fill your cup, man.
Yes.
On that, cheers.
Yeah, you have your cup. Okay, Soumya. So, the last one now.
Okay, okay. Already? Wow, so quick. Yeah.
Why do I miss my relationship even though I am still in it?
Okay. So let us once and for all clear this that just because you're sharing a physical space,
Mm,
just because you guys are staying together, doesn't mean that you are in it.
mm,
The missing part is you or he or whoever it is, you are emotionally somewhere else. If this
mm,
is the case, then you will feel this. I am in the relationship, but I don't feel like I'm in a relationship. Okay. So this is the key understand. People think, oh, we were in love, we will get married, we'll stay in the house and everything will be hunky dory. No. If the husband comes home still stuck at work, and woman is at home still stuck in her household chores, you guys might be married couples, but you're not emotionally available to each other. That's why
mm.
the relationship feels flat.
Exactly,
You agree
exactly.
with this, Supriya?
Absolutely. Even if you are not like you are a working woman, maybe you have
Hmm.
your household chores, you have your corporate job, whatever.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when the guy comes home, he's on his phone or in a
Hmm.
laptop. And
Hmm.
when you also finish your work, you also sit down and then you check your emails, you check out these things. And so
Hmm.
there is something that you are bringing your office work here at
Hmm.
home
Hmm.
and you are not emotionally connect with yourself.
Hmm.
आपस का तो रहा नहीं ना, आपस के बीच में जो
Hmm.
कनेक्शन होना चाहिए था वो तो है नहीं.
Hmm.
सारा का सारा समय आप बाकी चीजों को दे रहे हो. इवन
Hmm.
एन आउटसाइडर फील बच्चे जब कमरे में आते हैं ना, कई बार उनको लगता है यार क्या
Hmm.
हो रहा है ये. मम्मी अपने अपने फोन में लगी हुई है, मे बी अपने क्लाइंट्स को डील कर रही है, पापा अपने साथ अपने कोई किसी और काम को कर रहे हैं. देर इज नो कनेक्ट. टीवी मान लो, टीवी भी चल रहा है, टीवी सामने चल रहा है, दोनों अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
guys, there is a lot of emotional connect which is required between the couple
Hmm.
that is missing sometimes some in our relationship. So
Yeah.
yeah, that is the
And
reason.
Supriya, so the real question is not where did they go
Hmm.
wrong or where did they are not present. The real question is when did we lose that connection with myself? First, you may have lost that connection with yourself. Then that will result in the relationship that you have. So first, you need to identify where did I lose my connection with myself? Maybe you got too busy with your work. Maybe you got too busy with one of your roles as a mother, as a caretaker, as a daughter-in-law, daughter, whatever XYZ. We all people manage multiple roles in this era, at least, right? So, but the most important connection is your connection with yourself. Where did you lose that connection? So, if you answer that question, you can restore your relationship.
And somewhere there's a pattern there, now in every single
Hmm.
question that you can see a pattern there which says that, which speaks out loud that
Hmm.
actually the real connection that is missing here is the connection between yourself, you and yourself, you and your old world. right?
Yes.
So if that is what you look around and that is you take care of, then every relation in your life has to go better only. So
Yep.
first we need to build that great relationship with ourselves, then
Mm.
only we'll be seen, will be heard, will be appreciated, we will not be judged, maybe because the judge is you only, not anyone
Mm.
else. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah, true, true, true. So no relationship is ever going to feel completely full.
Hmm.
Not with your partner, not with your family, not even with your own life, until you restore that connection with yourself. And but
Hmm.
the real question I think now people are going to ask is, well, how is someone actually going to work on this?
Hmm.
How do we
So
do that?
So, yes, that is a great thing actually that we need to understand that the same example that I gave in the last video actually, and if your battery is empty, you cannot charge the other battery. So you
Hmm.
need to fill your cup and then you will be able to actually charge other person. So how
Hmm.
do you do that? Soumya, we do like a lot many things we do at in our Brain to Body
Hmm. Great to
Revolutions
body.
programs, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we do that in our mind gym, we do that in our personal consultations. We definitely work on the gut mind relationship. But here also, again, we are coming up with a new course where we are dealing with this particular thing. What do you
Yeah.
want to say about that?
Yes, we are launching for this particular reason. We have launched our romance revival course, which not just caters to married people or a couple or people in a relationship. It caters to everybody, people who are single, those who have lost a partner as well. Yes,
Hmm?
a married people, people in a situationship, or people in multiple relationship but don't know where they are headed, people who are not able to secure a relationship also. It's welcome to everyone, provided you gotta be women this time. So yeah, the course is for now exclusive only to women, because we want you to, women, when they empower themselves, they can empower the whole world, because women is the source of creation, right? So whatever she gets, she multiplies, she doubles, and she distributes. So that is why we have made it women only. And also there is one more reason. Supriya, you would like to highlight that?
Yes, definitely. So one more thing I would like to add to it, सौम्या, इस हिंदी में कहावत है कि women जो है ना वो घर की धुरी के समान होती है. That's the center of every house है ना. She is connecting
Hmm.
everyone. She is the coach, actually inbuilt coach in a family. If the coach is
Hmm.
correct, then she will actually guide everyone correctly, है ना. She'll hold the entire
Hmm.
family together. So for
Hmm.
that, if she is well understood and she understands about her relationship with herself, she will definitely be defining that to people, to the other persons of the family, to children, to to your partner, and even to your in-laws and your mother and father also. So yeah, this is very important. Then another thing is women actually always play the victim card. Sometimes isn't so.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah,
So yeah.
we are pro at it.
Yeah, we are very pro at it. So we play the victim card. We always think कि मैं women हूँ ना इसलिए मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. Men keep on enjoying their life. They keep on doing this, that, and all that. It's only we do not we are not taken care of. So many
Hmm.
people, so many women actually come out to us, actually reach to us and
Hmm.
say that in the entire life, maybe they are 50, 40, whatever their age group is, they see that, they say that we are married and we are got this thing, we have got kids, but never in once in our life we enjoyed any that enjoyed that kind of love that one woman should feel. Don't you think so,
Yeah.
Soumya?
Yeah, yeah. We have heard it from all age groups, be it
All age
20s,
groups.
30s, 40s, 50s, or 60s. We have heard it from all age group, and that is the missing key link, you guys, that a woman needs to learn how to love herself, both physically, emotionally, mentally, right? So these are the three areas where she needs to learn to love herself, and that is exactly what we are going to be teaching in our 3 hour transformational course, 1 hour each for all these areas. You can consider it like that. And you will have a hell of a time with us, which will just rock your world for sure.
Exactly.
Yes.
We'll go step by step through this
Mm.
physical programming, through this subconscious programming that will lead to self acceptance and the real process of connecting with yourself. So your relationships will be able to reconnect again. So it is completely revival of the rejuvenation of the romance that you have with yourself and with your romantic partner.
And Supriya, tell them that the seats are limited, okay? So people don't sit back and relax and say, oh, the dates are 16th of August, but that doesn't mean you can sit back and relax. Seats are very limited. We are catering it to very small group of people, secret group of people. So hurry up and book your seats today
Yeah.
itself.
If you're really, really interested, if you really want to, uh, you know, uh, enjoy the pleasure of being a woman, of being connected with yourself, and you want to revive yourself completely, then you must not miss this chance to connect with us for the Romance Revival course. Do connect with us and get that revival of romance in your life.
Comment romance below and we will send you the details directly to your WhatsApp. Chalo then, take care of yourself.
See
We'll
you
see you
guys.
on August 16th. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. See you there.